I just passed a 200K FTMO challenge for one of my subscribers, and if you stay to the end, you're gonna see a breakdown of every trade, and you might even have a chance for me to pass your challenge. So make sure you don't skip anything, because this could possibly change your life. Now let's get into the video. What up, gang? So quick backstory. Me and my wife are outside Christmas shopping. This dude comes up to me, hey bro, you know, I watch your channel, I trade supply and demand, and we chop it up for a couple minutes, and then I tell him, hey, you know what, bro? You know, I'll buy you whatever you want in here. Go ahead and pick the new Jordans, get you whatever you want, bro. I got you. He said, bro, what I really want is if you could pass my phase 1 on my FTMO. I've been struggling with it. I know how to trade. I just can't pass the phase 1. The rules just stress me out. I end up over trading and end up losing. And I feel for him, bro. I was in the same predicament before. I bought 20 challenges and it's just the phase 1 would just mess with me, bro. I'll end up over risking or over trading, just trying to hurry up and hit the 10%. Then I'll end up blowing it and losing more money. So I gave him my number. I told him to tap in with me. He hit me up. He sent me his login credentials. Now the footage you're about to see is the first trade that I took on his account. Now mind you, he's already down -2%, but I told him I would pass his challenge. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna pass this damn challenge no matter what. So let's get it done. But don't forget to use XO50 to get 50% off any challenge with XO funding. Now let's get it. All right guys, so I'm in a trade on Euro USD and hopefully we make some money. I want to at least get 20K. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. So we're currently up 13,000. So I really want to hit like 25K. I'll be really happy. Even 20K, I'll be happy. So we're going to see what happens. It's looking very good. It's been a long time. It's been about an hour or two, but it's starting to push our way. So, you know, you just got to be disciplined. You got to have a trading plan and you got to trade your plan. That's why it's called trading plan, right? We don't just write it down for shits and giggles and tell people, hey, look, I got a trading plan. No, we got to trade the plan that we make. It pushes down. I want to get out around here, around this area. So that's what I'm doing. I'm letting it play out. This doesn't bother me. If it doesn't come to break even, I don't care. I'm not even worried about it. I know it's going to go down here. Well, I'm hoping, right? I'm like 90% sure, but there's always that 10% chance that it could just reverse and take me out. You know, that's part of the game, but let's just see what happens. Come on, bro. I just need this shit to mount, bro. Just mount. All right, so we're back at 11,000. So we're having a little pullback. But I'm not getting out this trade until we get down here. So we lose, bro. We'll be stopped at break even. All right, so we're back at 13,000. And you guys might look at this amount like, man, that's a whole lot of money, right? But you guys could be trading this too. This is a funded account. You guys can go to XO right now, the link in my description. Go get you a 200K account, 300 up to $1 million in funding, and do the same thing and even more. This is not real capital. This is a funded account. You guys could do the exact same thing. I'll even put a discount code down there so you guys can get 50% off your challenge. I'm not liking that rejection right there. I'm just struggling at this area. I do not like that. Why is it struggling right here? Not even nothing right there. It should just be going down. We'll see what happens. So I'm gonna come back when we actually get a real push because this is just playing right now. All right, gang, so we're currently up $17,000. I knew we were gonna get to this point. Now I just need to go a little bit further. Now I wanted to hit that red line right there, but if we get a huge rejection, I will close this trade, but it's looking pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty confident we could hit that. We're at 18K. Okay, so I need 5 more thousand to pass this guy's challenge. We're currently at $20,000, bro. 20,000. We're at the red line. So if we start rejecting, I'm getting out. 21. Come on, push. 22. Come on, we're almost there. $1,000 away. 1,500 now. Come on, keep pushing. Don't reject. Come on. Don't you reject. We're almost there. I can't let it go above 20. Come on, push. We're almost there. No. Push down. All right, we're getting rejection. I'm going to have to close it. All right, I'm going to have to close this and just enter another trade tomorrow. Yeah, it's rejecting too much, bro. It's rejecting too much. Yeah, I'm closing that. All right, I closed it. 20K. Let me make sure I got 20K. Yeah, $20,000. Fire, good trade. That rejection is crazy, bro. We were almost there, bro. We were almost there. We were at $219,000, bro. We were almost there, but it's cool. I'll come back tomorrow. We'll make that 1,500, whatever it was, 2,000. Man, that's crazy. We were so close. Great trading day. Great trading day. Look at this. Oh my God, beautiful. So now I'm going to give you guys a breakdown. All right, gang. So we just closed that trade, $20,000. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it so you guys could do it too. So check it out. So I'm only taking trades in this gray area, right? This is the kill zones, which I've told you guys many times before. You know, I just turn everything else, leave the kill zones on. I don't change nothing else, right? It's by Oscar VS Kill Zones. So as soon as New York session starts, I'm looking for a trade, right? I'm waiting for a breaker structure. I see that we have our first breaker structure right here, but there was no gap or nothing right here for me to take. So now that's erased. It doesn't mean nothing to us. So now we're pushing up, we're pushing up, we're pushing up. We get another breaker structure right here, right? It's kind of hard to see. Let me zoom in. This body closed below this body. I like to look at the bodies, not the wicks. This body closes below that body. We have a breaker structure. And then you ask yourself, was there a gap attached to that? Yes, there was. So let me delete this. So this would be the box right here. All right, draw it to the swing high and drag it out like that, right? So this is what we're looking for. Right? But I did not see all this until this candle was forming, right? This is when I got on the computer at 8 o'clock, right? I was dealing with my daughter in the morning, making her breakfast, feeding her, you know, chilling with my wife, because this is one of the days that I wasn't going to trade. But I had ended up getting on the computer to write back to some people in my Discord, and I seen this candle forming and I seen this rejection. I was like, okay, this is a liquidity grab, right? I really don't do liquidity grabs, but this one just looked too good for me to pass up, right? We came out, stopped out all these sellers from right here, and we closed with a nice hammer candle. So I was like, you know what? This is a good trade. We're in a supply zone. We got to break a structure. I'm taking this trade all day, right? So I said, you know what? I'm going to take it. I wasn't planning on trading today, but I'm going to take it. So I ended up entering right when it closed. Stops above like that, right? And that was the trade that I was in right there. And I ended up entering 2 positions. So I entered down right there. And then when we got the breaker candle, I entered again. So I had 2 positions right here, right? And this is where we were targeting over here somewhere. I think it was these lows right here. I was targeting these lows, right? So right there. And that was basically the trade. It's not too much into this, right? All right, gang, so we're in this trade on AUD USD. Now, I did take a loss yesterday, which was a big loss because I was not feeling good. I was in the bed. I tried to enter on my phone, and I always use a position size calculator when I enter a trade. And I just tried to do it the old way where you calculate it and all that. I miscalculated. I took a big loss. It was like, I don't remember how much, like $8,000 in like a couple seconds. Bro, I was sick as hell, but you know, it's cool. At least we didn't blow the account. But today, we're back in this. It's NFP. It's December. Like the worst time to trade. It's probably like the worst day to trade all of December, but we're still here making it happen. So hopefully we can win this. I did try to get the beginning of this trade so you guys can see how I enter, but I forgot to hit record on the camera. So, you know, I barely noticed it now. At least we didn't hit TP yet. So hopefully we could just hit this and be good. So we need like 2,000 more. So, you know, my TP is right here. So we should definitely hit it if we just come down a little bit more. You know, I really like passing these challenges for people. I might be doing this like every 3 months or something. It's fun for me. You know, they get something out of it. So it's kind of like giving back to my community. But don't start hitting me up telling me you want me to pass a challenge because I'm not going to do it, bro. When I'm going to do it, I'll announce it. Maybe that'll be the next giveaway after this EXO funding giveaway. Come on now, bro. Don't start hesitating right here. Let's just finish this out. All right, this shit really about to play, and oh my God, just drop, bro. Don't do all this retracing and all that right now. Yes, sir. Come on, drop. See these candles right here? They're showing you that they want to go retrace a little bit. You see how they're getting smaller and smaller and smaller? It's going to want to come up. I'm hoping it just pushes down. Definitely going to move my stops. So we have this gap right here, right? So I'm hoping this is just gonna be a candle to fake all these people out that want to take this. The people that only use the 5 minute, they're looking at this like, oh, this is a good trade. We got a hammer candle. Now we're breaking above. People are entering right here, right? So I'm hoping it just comes up a little bit and then mounts and stops the mount. But at the end of the day, the market's gonna do whatever it wants to do. So let's see what happens. So you see how we got that bullish engulfing after this hammer candle? So now people are like, man, this is for sure going up. The people that are entering right here, they're like, oh, we have to get in right now. So hopefully it comes, stops them out. All right, guys, so we're currently at 10K, so we're almost there. So we need to hit like 12K to pass. Come on, let's get it. We're at 219,000. We need $900 more. We're almost there. Come on, bro, don't start rejecting, bro. We're literally $100 away. Come on. Oh my God, don't do this shit right now, bro. Literally, we're $600 away, bro. Come on, push. That phone only got 1% on it. Oh, don't do this, bro. Come on, bro. We was right there. Okay, $400 away. 400. Come on, bro. We're almost there. Come on, $200 away. We're almost there. Bro, we're literally like 150 away. Nah, bro. Stop rejecting, bro. We're right there. Come on, bro. Give me it. Did I get it? I got it. Boom. 220. Passed it. Yes, sir. Good fucking trading week, man. Shout out to my dog. Passed phase 1 of a 200K account for him. I'm gonna be doing this shit like every couple months. I'm gonna put a post up or a YouTube video. I'm gonna tell you guys, hey, bro, I'm gonna pass your 200K challenge, right? We'll do a giveaway. We'll do whatever you guys want, but every couple months, I'm gonna pass someone's challenge, bro. That's the way I'm gonna give back to you guys, and it's gonna be lit. But make sure you guys are studying, so when you guys get to that phase 2, you only have to make half the profit and you can pass it. Shout out to my boy. I'm gonna have him send me the picture so I could put it up here. It's gonna be lit, bro. So I asked bro for the pictures and he just gave me his login credentials. It hasn't said pass it. It says we're $400 away. So hopefully it updates live right here and we're gonna see it live. Okay, boom, it updated. $20,067, bro. That's crazy, in 11 days. It took me about 3 days to pass it, but let's check out his results. They will contact you as soon as possible. If you guys didn't know what happens after that, they're gonna send you an email with your credentials for phase 2. All right, so this is his analytics right here. So he came to me when we were at -2,000, right? Because he was at -10 and he said he brought it up enough to -2 and he was like, bro, I don't think I could do it. You know, I already brought it up from when I was down. I don't think I could make a whole nother 20K. I was like, you know what, bro, send me your credentials for MT4. I'll knock it out for you. It's a good video for me. I get to give back to you. Let's do it, bro. You know, I'm from the people. So once I got it, it was at -2,000, right? So that's good. It's basically break even, right? I got it instantly, $17,000 win, right? Then I took a loss of like 6,000 or something like that. Then we won today. And now the balance is at 20,000. So I knocked it out in 3 trades. But shout out to bro. He obviously knows what he's doing, right? He kind of lost his mind. This is the psychology part when you barely get an account, right? You start losing your mind a little bit and then you catch yourself, which is very good. And you're like, you know what? I need to really lock in and find a perfect trade. He found it, got him back to $2,000 positive. He lost it again, which is part of the game. He probably got scared right here. Like, man, I just lost that. Let me just get back to 4,000. And you ended up losing more. Right? Then you catch yourself. This is just the way Forex works. Ups and downs. But at the end of the month, you will be profitable. Right? This is how it works. And he probably could have passed this, but it would have took him a long time. Or maybe he would have lost it. Who knows? So yeah, this was it. Quick trade. Like once you know how to trade, bro, these challenges are not nothing, bro. That's why I'm over risking, because I already know how to trade. I know what trades are gonna play out, and you can see these ones didn't play out, but it's okay. It's part of the game. The market does what it wants, but for the most part, I'm usually right. So shout out to my dog, 200K account passed. I hope he passed phase 2. Good luck, bro. And make sure you get your next account on XO Funding, bro. XO Funding. I'm gonna put the link down below. Go to XO Funding, bro. FTMO is charging you way too much for these accounts, especially if you're not even like a profitable trader yet. You're spending $1,000 on an account. Go to XO Funding, get you 50% off with the code XO50, and you could trade up to $1 million for half the price. So if you lose, you only lose half the money that you invested. If you win, you get $1 million account. Like, come on, bro. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.